Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Skoda Fabia battery. The battery is in there, yeah. We need to remove the battery cover here. Okay. Release the mechanical key like that. You can use the your thumb, right, to push it up like that. Yeah. Here's a CR2025 battery. Okay. Or you can use the key blade like to twist it open like that is fine as well. To twist it open like that is fine. Yeah. Or you can use the coin. Yeah. If you use the coin, you can open like that as well. Like that. Yeah. And then use the flathead screwdriver to pry the battery up. Yeah. Here's the battery. Yeah. CR2025 battery. Okay. To replace it, the spring side go in first. Spring side going, press it down and put the cover back on. Yep, press it down and it's all done. This is Skoda Fabia 2021. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.